What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. Back with another review. Today, nothing exciting, but potentially very useful and a cost-effective way. I was at Staples office supply store today. It's a funny store because if you have older gear, older equipment, they oftentimes have things that can either bring your equipment up to date or that are compatible with older equipment. This USB-C to right angle USB-C cable being a really good example of that. This is a 6-foot cable. It's by the brand Scosche. I purchased this, it was $27.99. And with it, we're going to turn my 4-year-old MacBook Air into a pro grade machine. Now, if you want a professional grade computer, we'll probably want something more along the lines of a MacBook Pro, but the MacBook Air is still a highly capable machine and can still be used professionally. So today we're going to convert my MacBook Air into a MacBook Pro, and the way that we're going to do it is by using this USB-C to right angle USB-C cable. Now this is a 4-year computer, but it is still highly capable. This has the Apple Silicon M1 chip inside. It's an extremely capable machine, and I think this USB-C to right angle USB-C cable will make it even more capable. And the way that we're going to make this a professional grade MacBook Air is actually by using it to simply charge the MacBook Air. And how this will make the MacBook Air more professional is indeed the fact it is a right angle USB-C cable. So do an unboxing and see actually quickly here what comes in the box. It is USB-C power delivery compatible for fast charging, which is really good to see. Charge our computer quickly and most importantly, do high power tasks with it. But also, most importantly, it is also for data transfer. So if you're maybe using this instead to transfer data, you can do that. And most importantly, on the side of the box, it says it works with all devices with a USB-C connector. Okay, let's go ahead and get it out of the box. It should be a braided nylon cable. And in the box is our Scosche cable. USB-C to USB-C right angle. I am super excited to get this out of the packaging and start using it. It indeed, I believe, will elevate the user experience. Even though I'm using it just as a charger, it should add an element of professionalism. So here we've got our right angle end. By the way, you can see the cable itself is a nylon braided cable. It is 6 feet. This right angle end will go into the second back port on the MacBook Air, and then the straight end goes into the charging brick. So let's go ahead, plug it in. We get the charge indicator, which is a good start. Let's go ahead and log in. And right as you can tell, I have professional apps like Final Cut Pro and Logic Pro. And also this wallpaper here, you'll note, it is the Pro Black wallpaper. So the wallpaper now working together with the right angle cable, I think just creates this element of professionalism. So let's go ahead and launch Final Cut Pro. And even though this is a MacBook Air, you'll be surprised to see that it does indeed work, and it works well. If you're making just simple content, nothing over the top, you actually can get away with using a MacBook Air. It will run Final Cut Pro. I inserted a couple of images, a movie, right? So we'll go ahead and maybe do like a Ken Burns effect on this. Let's select each clip and then we'll make this a compound clip. We can add some cool effects starting out. And then let's go ahead and play the video. So far, so good. Just by simply upgrading the charge cable from the generic white one to this black one, not only is it the color that's important because it matches the Pro Black wallpaper on the MacBook Air. We have the Pro Black wallpaper installed, as you can see, which matches perfectly with the black cable, but also the fact that it is a right angle cable, which does allow me to use this second port here to maybe run something out like an external SSD or maybe a microphone. So what's nice is you can see how flush and easy it is to get this USB-C, this straight USB-C cable in with the right one out of the way. Overall, makes it more professional in my opinion. And for costing only $30, I think it's a worthy upgrade for a 4-year-old computer such as the MacBook Air, which is capable of running professional grade desktop class apps. You're good to go. So today we looked at making the MacBook Air into a professional grade machine. I don't feel like upgrading it yet to a MacBook Pro. I want to get more use out of it, but I want to use it for professional purposes. And I think one really good way to do that is to pick up this cable right here, the USB-C to right angle USB-C cable. I purchased this at Staples. It was $27. It's by the brand Scosche. Has a lifetime limited warranty and other devices too. So think MacBook Pro if you wanted to use this cable with your MacBook Pro or your iPad or iPad Pro. My name is John. Hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below for more. This has been just a simple review of a cable. It's a simple product. It's a cable, it's a charge cable, but it does have one feature that can actually elevate your current devices to pro status, and that is the fact that A, it is black, which has lately been synonymous with a professional grade device, and it is USB-C to right angle USB-C so that it's flush and allows you to connect and disconnect other USB-C type devices without hassle. Really good stuff. Makes the MacBook Air, which is 4 years old now, but still a really capable machine, that much more flexible and versatile and useful. Hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below for more. My name is John. Thanks again so much for tuning in. I will see you guys in the next review.